Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you something super exciting. The brand new Hill Climb Racing 2 mod that's working on both Android and iOS devices. If you're into racing games and want to boost your experience, make sure to stick around till the end of the video. And if you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on more cool stuff like this. So let's get into it. Right now, you can see we've got the modded version of Hill Climb Racing 2 open. There's a gear icon on the screen. When you tap that, it opens up the mod menu. And this is where the magic happens. The main feature here is getting unlimited gems and coins, just with a single tap. You'll see how quickly the resources max out and everything updates live in-game. It's super smooth and works without any issues. Along with that, the mod menu also includes a few extra features to tweak the game even more. It's perfect if you want to fully unlock vehicles, maps, or just enjoy the game without grinding forever. Alright, now for part 2, how you can get this mod. Open any browser on your Android or iOS device. In this video I'm using Safari. Go to appheaven.top, that's the place. Once you're there, you can either scroll down or just use the search bar to find the Hill Climb Racing 2 mod. After that, tap on the mod and follow the steps to install it. It's pretty simple. If this is your first time, the site might ask you to install a couple of extra apps. Just follow the instructions there. They also have a quick guide you can watch if anything's unclear. I've also pinned a comment below with more details on where exactly to find this mod and how to set it up, so check that out too. If the mod works for you, let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.